Hello students, you are watching Virtual Kaksha. In this video, we are going to learn about sets. This is part 5. Topics to be covered in this video are operations on sets, union of sets, intersection of sets, and difference of sets. Let's know about operations on sets. First one is union of set. Union of sets, the union of sets A and B is the set C, which consists of all those elements which are either in set A or in set B, or we can say including those which are in both, and the common elements being taken only once. It means we should not repeat any element of given sets. It is also known as combination of sets. Combination of, if two or more sets are given, then we take common elements and other than non-common elements in a union set. The symbol is similar to U. And let's take an example. A is a set X such that X is a natural number and X is greater than 1 but less than 6. Another set is B, which consists of X greater than 6 but less than 10. So here student, first of all, we have to convert all the given sets into roster form. So students, let's convert set A into roster form. So the member of set will be X is greater than 1. So we cannot write 1 here. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Another set in roster form, X is greater than 6, we take 7, 8 and 9, since X is less than 10 also. So A union B equal X such that X belongs to N, since N is a natural number. These are natural numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5 all are natural numbers. So A union B equals to X such that X belongs to N but X is greater than 1 and less than 10. Let's take another example. A is a set which consists of 1, 2, 3. These are three elements in set A. B is another set which consists of no element. I mean, it is a wide set. So we have to find A union B. A union B, it means we have to take common elements and non-common elements also. Let's take B. B is a null set. Then there is no elements in B. So A union B equals to 1, 2, 3 and union, and B has no elements in it, then common and non-common element we take here. So A union B equals to 1, 2, 3 because B doesn't have any element in it. Let's take another operation is intersection of sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which belong to both the element A and B. It means we only consider common elements. What is the difference between union set, union of set and intersection of set? Union of set, we consider common and non-common element between sets, but in intersection of set we consider only common elements, right student? Only common element we consider in intersection of set. Intersection of set means common elements only we consider, right? This its symbol is opposite of U, ठीक है? और U को opposite कर दीजिए. Then let's take one example. If X is a set which consists of four elements, those are A, B, C and D, and Y is another set which consists of four elements, those are F, B, D and G. We have to find X intersection Y. A, B, C, D, these are given in roster form, and B, Y is another element and Y is another set which consists of elements F, D, B and G. So student, we have to find X intersection y. X intersection y, only common element we consider here. So A, B, C, D, and intersection F, D, B, G. So student, choose only common element. A. What about A? A is not an element of Y. A common element nahi hai between two sets. B is a common element. So we choose B because B is given in set A, set X and set Y. And C, what about C? C is not a common element. And D, only B and D are element of X intersection Y. Right, student? So X intersection Y is equal to X intersection Y equals to B comma D. Difference of sets. The difference of the sets A and B in this order is the set of elements which belong to A but not belong to B. Right? Students, if two sets are given and we have to find difference of sets, then choose only elements of first set. First set means here if A is a first set, then we have to choose the element of set A, which is A difference B. It is written as A minus B and read as inverse A minus B. Right? Let's take one example. Let A is a set which consists of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and B is another set which consists of 4 elements. Those are 2, 4, 6 and 8. Find A minus B and B minus C. And we will check here A minus B is equal to B minus A or not. Right? So student, let's find A minus B. A, first write element of A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, B equals to 2, 4, 6 and 8. So A minus B equals to cut those elements which are not belong to B. So B has elements 2, 4, 6, 8. So we consider only those elements which are belongs to A because we are finding A minus B or A difference B, right? A difference B means we only consider the elements of A, right? So A minus B equals to 1, 3, 5 because 2 belongs to B, 4 belongs to B and 6 also belongs to B because 2 belongs to B and 4 is also belongs to B. 6 is also belongs to B. Those elements which belong to set A. So A minus B equal. Let's find B minus A. So B minus A is equal to, it means this is opposite of A minus B. Choose those elements which belongs to B, not belongs to A. So B minus A is 8 because 8 does not belongs to A. So we can say A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Thank you for watching Virtual Kaksha and keep learning.